Yo, what's up everybody? It's Raza back with another video, and today we're diving deep into the world of databases. Specifically, we're talking about the battle of the titans, SQL versus NoSQL. We'll break down everything you need to know, the strengths, the weaknesses, and what the future holds for data management. Now let's get right into it. First things first, let's define our contenders. In the red corner, we have SQL, the reigning champion, also known as relational databases. Think of SQL databases like a meticulously organized spreadsheet. This makes SQL perfect for applications where data integrity is key, like financial systems or e-commerce platforms. Now, in the blue corner, we have NoSQL, the challenger gaining traction with its more flexible approach. NoSQL databases are all about handling massive amounts of data that don't necessarily fit neatly into rows and columns. So right off the bat, we're seeing two very different approaches to data management. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of what sets SQL and NoSQL apart. One of the biggest differences is how they structure your data. SQL databases enforce a strict schema, kind of like a blueprint for your data. This ensures consistency and makes querying data super efficient, especially for complex relationships. NoSQL databases, on the other hand, are all about schema flexibility. You can store data in various formats, like documents, key-value pairs, or graphs, without being locked to a rigid structure. Another key difference is how SQL and NoSQL handle relationships between data. SQL databases excel at relational data, using foreign keys to link tables together. So, when it comes to choosing a database, it's all about finding the right tool for the job. Let's talk about the strengths of SQL. First off, SQL databases are known for their ACID compliance. ACID stands for atomicity, consistency, isolation, and durability, which are basically the four pillars of reliable transactions. This is absolutely crucial for applications where data accuracy is paramount, like banking or financial systems. Plus, since SQL has been around for decades, there's a massive ecosystem of tools, libraries, and resources available. Now, let's flip the script and talk about what makes NoSQL so compelling. One word: scalability. NoSQL databases are designed to handle massive data sets and high-traffic applications that can bring traditional SQL databases to their knees. Another major advantage of NoSQL is its flexibility. This agility is a game changer for fast-moving startups and applications that need to iterate quickly. Plus, NoSQL databases often come with built-in support for high availability and fault tolerance. So we've explored the strengths of both SQL and NoSQL. But what does the future hold for data management? We're seeing a convergence of technologies, with SQL databases adopting NoSQL features like JSON support, and NoSQL databases incorporating ACID transactions. This hybrid approach is giving developers the best of both worlds: the reliability and consistency of SQL, combined with the scalability and flexibility of NoSQL. Ultimately, the best database for your project depends entirely on your specific needs and requirements. So there you have it, a deep dive into the world of SQL and NoSQL databases. Remember, choosing the right database is like picking the right tool from your toolbox. SQL, with its ACID compliance and structured querying, is your go-to for applications where data integrity is paramount. NoSQL, on the other hand, flexes its muscles when it comes to scalability, flexibility, and handling those massive data sets. But the future is looking more and more like a hybrid world. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.